Hi, so today we're making coconut sweetbread. We have 2 cups of chopped coconut. I'm gonna put it in the blender. We're going to blend it with 1.5 cups of water. Four cups of flour. So we have 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 pack of raisins, like this size. We have 1 stick of butter. It's softened. Here we have 1.5 cups of sugar. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. Maraschino cherries, it's like maybe 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna grease the pans and we're just gonna take a little bit of butter. Then you cover it with flour and kind of knock it around a little bit.
So nice, it looks fluffy.
We're going to cover this with plastic. So after letting them rise for 15 minutes, we're going to put them in the oven at 350. We preheated it, it's all ready and set to go. We're gonna make a glaze, so we have 2 teaspoons of sugar, or tablespoons it looks like, of sugar here. I'm gonna put just about 1 tablespoon of water.
Put it there, put it right there.
And now we're gonna cut it and see what it looks like inside. It's really good. I don't even want to talk because I just want to put it in my mouth.